Where is she?
The Prophet may know how his own biography is going to end, but I can scarcely fathom how I'm going to start it. I mean, other than the kid stuff you get at the Hall of Heroes, anything prior to his baptism was, and here I quote, hang on.
Hey,
Left.
I'm looking for a young girl.
They'll call me a plagiarist. But I'm going to spend the first 30 pages regurgitating scripture.
Airship. That could be our ticket out of here.
Everything's changing. People don't know their place anymore.
Tell me about it. An Oriental stuff.
Maybe you and I should go for a walk along the shore.
I'm not going on any walk with you. Your reputation is well established.
Look at him, ladies. It's a crime someone doesn't get him a nice little trunk.
One, two, three, two,
Damn fools should let them drown themselves.
Thin out the herd.
Hey, miss. Miss. Could you just... Hey, I need you to stop. Please stop. Hey, Miss Elizabeth.
Hello! Oh, this is wonderful! Oh, come dance with me, Mr.
I
Dwayne.
don't dance. Come on, let's go.
Why? What could be better than this?
How about Paris?
Paris? I don't understand. How could we get there?
That's where that airship's going, but if you want to stay and dance, we can...
No, let's go! Come on, let's go! Come on, let's go right now! I'm out. It's hard to believe, but it's true, isn't it? Oh, can you smell that? I've never smelled anything like that before, have you?
Beaches I know don't smell much like that.
Mr. DeWitt, Comstock. I've read about him. They say he can see the future.
Give a man a little power. He falls in all kinds of love with himself.
I don't like his look.
Do you dislike the look of the Prophet? His gaze?
Huh. That fall into the water did you no favors. I'll keep an eye out for something that might ease your pain. Mr. DeWitt, here.
Bird? Or the cage?
Or perhaps the bird.
Nothing beats the cage.
These two again. How do... Never mind.
Look at these, they're amazing. Which one do you like more, this one or this? The bird is beautiful and the cage is somber, but there's really something special about it. I just can't decide.
The one on the right.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I love it.
Surprising. I expected the cage.
If you're going to be a sore loser, then I shan't do this again.
Now that's just sophistry.
Oh my God!
My God.
It has to be. Who else would
Look.
this happen?
Are you all right?
It was my home.
We should get out of here.
Let's go.
It's okay. It's okay.
Where was the songbird in his hand?
What I want to know is why is
Make sure you have a piece of photographic identification ready for presentation.
Put those arms up now. Fingers apart. Legs apart.
one.
Stand
Hey,
still.
stop.
Now
Look at
hold
this one.
steady.
He's suspicious, if you ask me.
All right. Quiet down there, Pete. Just go home and dry yourself up.
Damn thing's locked. What are you doing?
You're a roguish type. What does it look like? Done.
When did you learn to pick locks?
Trapped in a tower with nothing but books and spare time? You would be surprised what I know how to do.
I must take any task with more than the slightest complexity. Or they... Oh, hello, sir.
Seems like we're
You better
fairly
never mind.
healed, Mr. DeWitt.
Foolishness, you know. Just monkey shines.
Return when you got some currency, fella.
Hey, I found these silver eagles. There's a vending device over there. There might be something to bring you back to health.
It's probably a good.
This ain't no place for you, sir. You best be on your way, or there's gonna be trouble for us both. Please, sir. Please.
Kind sir.
Come and
Would you
take a
happen to
photograph
have
with
the
the
time?
father of our country.
Why is one bathroom?
It just is.
Seems like an unnecessary complication. I hope you don't intend for me to follow you in there.
As a boy, I had a dog named Bill. Like all dogs, Bill was a loyal friend. If we had not fed him, Bill would have been loyal. If we had struck him, Bill
Trying to get us both arrested?
only when the colored man can make that claim will he take his place in society.
It's one thing to find out you're running around planting kisses on all the girls, but little Mary McCarthy... found out. If it's bad enough, he has to go to Florida. Leave me in such a state.
Jeez.
Sword. He puts himself in way of danger between Colombia.
Annabelle?
Excuse me?
Annabelle, it's me, Esther.
Oh, no, I'm not Annabelle.
Are you sure?
My name is Elizabeth. Do I know you?
Elizabeth? Isn't that a lovely name?
That was odd.
Last customer. Park's closing. Park's closing, everyone.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Sure could benefit from a shine. Guess I haven't paid much attention.
Hey, you want to watch out? I just swapped that.
Have you got sauerkraut?
Sauerkraut? I guess so.
I'll take one, please. How much?
One Silver Eagle.
2 tickets for passage to the First Lady airship.
Yeah, just a minute, friend. Yeah, I have it. How do you, want to proceed?
In a bit of a rush, pal.
Hey, mister, you're gonna get mustard all over your nice suit.
I got it. I'll ring you back once the matter's in hand.
I don't like this.
Yeah, send in the bird. We're ready to exit.
Stay where you are!
Move in!
What are you doing? Get the girl! Get off the thing! Get away from me! Let me out! I want out!
Elizabeth!
Stay away from me!
Shoot to kill! I will kill you!
Elizabeth!
Remember, someone you know will have sympathy.
Where is she? Great. Just stay where you are!
Get away from me!
Hey, come back here!
Kill those people. I can't believe you did that. They're all dead. You killed those people.
Elizabeth,
You're a monster.
what did you think was gonna happen?
What?
Do you understand the expense the people went through to keep you locked up in that tower? You think people like that are just gonna let you walk away? You are an investment, and you will not be safe until you are far away from here.
What do they want from me?
I don't know. One thing I've learned. If you don't draw first, you don't get to draw at all.
You're bleeding. Come here. What happened back there? It's not the last of it, is it?
I don't know.
There. Sometimes I just get used to it. You know, I've read a thing or two about medicine. Do my best to keep you supplied with remedies. And if your wounds are deeper, I'll try to keep you on this side of the abyss.
the lock picked.
Oh, this won't take long at all. All yours.
Perfect. Locked. Elizabeth?
No problem. It's done.
Days at Comstock House was simple. Hard work, sure, but simple. Wringing the linen, scrubbing the floors. Lady Comstock, she even had a kind word now and then. Almost enough to make me think
What happens if someone finds us here?
We tell them we got lost looking for the bathroom.
And that works.
Not usually, no.
Soldiers Field, built in 1903 by the hand of Prophet.
Interest as a prophet having a bunch of carnies and carousels.
The place is themed to acquaint children with national service.
You mean the military?
Train up. The gate's shut up tight. Now how are we gonna get to the airship?
Let me see if I can get that gate open by hand.
Shock jockey. Who needs the power company?
Some fool's alternative to electricity.
Doesn't seem to work very well.
There it is. First Lady. It's like it's heading for the dock.
That will take us to Paris.
Just stay close.
Yes, Mr. DeWitt.
Call me Booker.
Oh, all right, Booker. Should we head to the gondola, or take a look around the boardwalk? I suppose a place like this might have much we'd find useful.
Get your cotton candy here.
Look! Duke and Dimwit. You know. Remember, boys and girls, don't be a dimwit. How could you not know that?
Must be something particular to Columbia.
I loved those stories when I was a kid. But they are a bit off.
When I was a girl, I dreamt of standing in a room.
Gardening, Mr. DeWitt?
They frown on gardens in my part of town.
And where is that?
The part with no gardens.
And was not myself. My mother took this for a nightmare. I saw it as the beginning of a career in physics.
Remember, boys and girls, don't be a dimwit.
Do you know why you were hired to come and get me?
I imagine they were interested in meeting you. No doubt, lockpicking lessons.
Why you?
I never even heard of this place before I got here.
Huh. Oh, really? I assumed Columbia was common knowledge below.
Guess I got a bit behind with current events.
Time's coming, she says. You ready?
We need to summon the gondola if we intend to reach that airship.
These seem to be the controls that summon. Looks like this runs exclusively on shock jockey.
Of course it does. Where in the hell are we gonna find that?
Look! Come see the future of power at the Hall of Heroes.
Huh. Well, that's convenient.
Gentlemen, the false shepherd is loose in the streets of our fair city. Will you succumb
Need money? Here you go.
Nice.
And when I came to Washington, there were few in Congress who saw my vision for Columbia. But it is the burden of the prophet to bring the wicked to righteousness. For what am I, if not a mirror to reflect the face of God?
Will continue after a moment of silent prayer for the victim.
Hall of Heroes closed in. Further notice.
Possession now turns machine and man into allies. Hold and release to create a ghostly trap.
Hell.
Is something wrong?
Nothing I can't fix.
Oh, it's a bee. I hate these things.
Jeez, just kill it.
No, it'll sting me.
Elizabeth.
I have a better idea.
Wait, what are you doing?
Opening a tear!
Oh, shit! What is that?
It's a tear. I used to open them all the time in my tower.
What is a tear?
It's like a window. A window to another world. Most of the time they're dull as dishwater, a different colored towel or tea instead of coffee. But sometimes I see something amazing, and I pull it through. There.
Good God. I don't suppose you've got an airship in there?
I don't think so. But there is. There is something. Oh no!
Close it.
I'm trying!
Close it! I don't really understand what I just saw back there, but it sure as hell looks like a shortcut to getting us killed.
But I could help.
I can handle whatever comes along. Trust me.
Have it your way, I suppose.
Against savage man or foreign horde, 'tis comes.
Ready yourself!
Press to launch your enemies into the air. Hold and release to create an eruptive trap.
Over there, a crow! Not do that anymore.
Okay, on second thought, I think those tears of yours might come in handy next time we're in a scrape.
Well, there has to be a tear around for me to use. I can't just pull them out of thin air. Look at this, my tower. It's only fair they give me a cut of the profits, don't you think? Here's some cash. Okay, catch.
That'll do. Need a lock picked.
Really? That little old lock. All yours. Lockpicks. You can always use more of them.
God makes all kinds of soldiers, but he only made one Cornelius Slate. My father followed him up San Juan Hill, through the legations in Peking, and as he put it, through hell the order was given. At today's muster, Slate asked me if I was Sergeant Monroe's daughter. I said, yes, sir, I am. Slate said, your father always wanted a son. I hope the fool has wisdom enough to recognize his good fortune.
They shut down gondola access to the Hall of Heroes. Must be like this is going to be fantastic.
Think that keen eye of yours could find some ammunition lying around? I sure could use it when there's trouble.
It'll take some scrounging, but I'll do my best. The line's clear. We can take the skyline to the Hall of Heroes, or look for supplies in that bar back down the street.
God makes all kinds of soldiers, but he only made one Cornelius Slate. My father followed him up San Juan Hill, through the legations in Peking, and as he put it, through hell the order was given. At today's muster, Slate asked me if I was Sergeant Monroe's daughter. I said, yes, sir, I am. Slate said, your father always wanted a son. I hope the fool has wisdom enough to recognize his good fortune.
Who is this prophet? Who is this fraud, this charlatan, this salesman of snake oil? What you saw today, brothers and sisters, was just the beginning. Zachary Comstock will hear our voice. His temple shall burn, and his idols of gold will melt and run in rivulets through the streets of Columbia.
Look at this. I found some money. Want it? Here you go.
got a tip there were contraband guns hidden in the fellow traveler. Didn't find them, but funny thing, we found some old uniforms under the floorboards from the war. Took guesses as to why they were there, but... Who's there? You're Slate, right? Sir? Put the guns down!
Did you hear that, Comstock? That is the sound you have never heard. The sound of a soldier's end. Come to your hall if you...
Cipher. A secret message from the Vox Populi.
You're the junior codebreaker. What's it say?
Don't know. There should be a code book somewhere.
Who's that? Slate? I actually know the fella. Seems he's still got a knack for me.
To the sky Comstock bent his knee, and saw with holy prophecy an Eden floating in the mist.
More money. Take this.
Much obliged.